How to fix Omegle I'm not a robot error. So what you need to do is go ahead and open any browser and type omegle.com and then click on the three dots at the very top right corner. So go ahead and click on settings. Scroll down and then you'll see site settings. So go ahead and go to cookies and then make sure that you have allowed cookies and then click on add site exception and then go ahead and enter omegle.com and then once you type that you'll be able to press on add. So click on add and then go back and go ahead and click on camera and make sure that this is turned on. Now if this doesn't work for you, what you can do is go to your Play Store and download any VPN that you want. And you can just type VPN at the search bar and enter it, and you can download whichever one that you like and then just turn it on when you're using it, and then this problem should be solved. So that is how to fix Omegle I'm not a robot error.